FieldPulse is built for small to mid-size service teams that want a more complete field service system, while Kickserv is built for very small teams that want basic job tracking without extra complexity. By the end of this, you'll know how FieldPulse and Kickserv compare in real day-to-day use, where each one fits best, and which platform makes more sense depending on how much structure your business actually needs. FieldPulse focuses on giving small service businesses a full toolkit. It connects scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, customer management, and job tracking in one system so teams can run more of their workflow in a single place instead of switching tools. Kickserv keeps things lighter. It focuses on the essentials like scheduling, job tracking, estimates, and invoicing, with a simpler setup that avoids deeper workflow layers and advanced configuration. The biggest difference is system depth. FieldPulse is designed for teams that are growing and need more structure around how jobs are created, assigned, and tracked. It gives more control over customer data, job stages, and team coordination. Kickserv is designed for simplicity. Jobs move in a straightforward path from creation to completion, which makes it easy to learn and manage, but it also limits how much detail you can track as operations become more complex. Scheduling is where the gap becomes obvious. FieldPulse supports more active scheduling and job coordination, which helps when multiple technicians are handling changing daily workloads. Kickserv uses a simpler calendar-based scheduling system that works best when job volume is low and predictable. On invoicing and job management, FieldPulse ties everything more tightly into the full job lifecycle, from estimate to completion. Kickserv keeps invoicing more basic and focused on closing out completed work quickly. For very small service businesses or solo operators, Kickserv often feels easier because there is less setup and fewer decisions to manage inside the software. For growing teams that are starting to handle more jobs per day and need better coordination, FieldPulse usually becomes more practical. The core difference is growth capacity. Kickserv is built for simplicity and light workloads. FieldPulse is built for teams that want a more complete system as their operations expand. To choose between them, look at how your business handles job volume. If you only manage a small number of jobs each day with minimal scheduling changes, Kickserv is usually enough. If your schedule is getting busier and you need more control over assignments and workflow, FieldPulse is built for that stage. A simple next step is to review how many tools you currently use just to manage one job from start to finish. The more tools you need, the more value you get from a system like FieldPulse. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software.